Hello, grade 2. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 6, add three-digit numbers. Through this chapter, we will learn more about how to add three-digit numbers. And today we will start with the first lesson, lesson number 1, make 100 to add. Page number 351. As you know, adding number to 100 is very easy. So through this lesson, we are going to learn how to make 100 and then add. Listen to this story. My town has 97 streets named by numbers and 16 streets named by letters of the alphabet. How many streets are named by numbers and letters of the alphabet? What do you think in grade 2? How can we find the answer? Now let's model the problem using 10 base blocks. There are 97 streets named by numbers. So we will add 9 tens, here they are, and 7 ones, here they are. This is the first number. We will move them, this part, and there are 16 streets named by letters of the alphabet. 16. So we will add 1 10 for number 16 and 6 ones for 16. How many ones do you need to move from 16 to 97 to make 100? What do you think, grade 2? Here we have 9 tens and 7 ones. To make 100, we need 10 tens. So we need only 3 ones. So we will move these ones from 16 to 97. Now we have 10 ones. We can regroup these 10 ones as 110. So now we have 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we can regroup these 10 tens as 100. Interesting. Now let's see how many base 10 blocks are left after removing 3 from 16. Here we have 1 10 and 3 ones, so we have 13. So now we have 100 plus 13, that's equal, as you know, grade 2, we add ones digit to ones digit and tens digit to tens digit and the hundred digit to the hundred digit. So the answer is 113. So the idea to make 100, we have to break apart this number to make 100 out of the largest number. So we break apart here number 16 to 3 because we need 3 to make 100 out of 97 and 13 because 13 plus 3 equals 16, and then we will add 97 to 3, that makes 100, and then 100 plus 13 equals 113. So now please grade 2, be sure to draw the models here and fill these blanks with the correct answer. Now let's solve the first example. Here we have 199 plus 43. The first step is to look at these two numbers. Which number is the closest to 100? Here we have 43. We need about 60 ones to add to 43 to get 100. But here we have 199. We need only 1 to add to 199 to make 200. So we will break apart this number. Since we need 1 to add to 199 to make 200, we have to break apart number 43 to 1 and 42 because 43 minus 1 equals 42. And then we will add 100 plus 1, that's equal to 200. The last step is to add 200 to 42. That's equal 242 simply. And the final answer, of course, is 242 when we add 199 plus 43. Now, let's solve the question number 1. Make 100 to add. Here we have 77 plus 298. We have to break apart number 77 because this number is the closest to 100. So, how many ones do we need to move from 77 to 298 to make 100? Specifically 300. Yes, we need 2. We need 2 to make 300 out of 298. So we will break apart number 77, 2, and 75, because 77 minus 77 minus 2 equals 75. Now we will add these two numbers to make 100, which is 300. So 2 plus 298 equals 300. Now it's very easy to add 300 to 75. It's simply 375. So 77 plus 298 equals 375. Now it's your turn in grade 2 to add this question number 2. And then when you finish, you can check your answers here. The same for the next page. You can check your answers here. They have the same ideas. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's solve the question number 9, page number 354. There are 299 animals at the fair. 76 more animals are brought to the fair. How many animals are at the fair now? What do you think in grade 2? How can we solve this problem? Yes, here we have 299 and here we have 76. So we have to add 299 to 76. Since we have a number that is very close to 100, which is 300, so we can make 100 before adding. How many ones do we need to add? Or how many ones do we need to move from 76 to 299 to make 100? Yes, we need only one. So we'll break apart number 76 to 1 and 75. And then we will add 299 to 1, so we will get 300. 300. And now 300 plus 75 simply equals to 375. Now it's your turn in grade 2, so please try to solve question number 10 by yourself. And then when you finish, you can check your answers here. Question number 10. And if you would like to solve question number 11 and write math. The next page is your homework grade 2. So please try to solve it by yourself. And then when you finish, you can check your answers here. The same for the next page, page number 356. That's enough for today, grade 2. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.